show you when you're doing a jump shot, right? The way you hold it, look at your bridge, I should say. You keep the middle finger and the forefinger and the thumb like this, and you wrap this one just to keep it from rocking a little ring finger, okay? And the pinky stays out. That's how I do it. And you jump up, going way up, sideways, close to your ear. You chalk up real good. You can do a jump shot. I'm brand new at this. How I'm going to do the bridge is going to be, I use my middle finger first, and the second one, bring the thumb up like this, and the third one goes behind it, and I hold it like that. Try to bring your thumb up as far as possible. Here. Go up on your tippy toe on your left side. Keep it sideways. You aim it, of course. Stick with a cue ball. Do it again.
The game is slow and sweet in this bittersweet retreat.
Cool. So here are some pictures of the bridge so you can get a better view.